up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a product review for you just in time for a Black Friday holiday shopping season. I'm going to be reviewing Mobifitness's Turbo Exercise Bike. This is an at-home, user-friendly stationary bike that is perfect for working out in the comfort of your own home as the weather gets colder and for tackling those New Year's resolutions coming just around the corner. The first question I usually ask myself when I'm purchasing something like this: how hard is it going to be to set up? And maybe that's just a me thing because I'm not super handy, but I will say this is a pretty painless process. I'll show you really quickly. This right here is the package that it comes in. It is a pretty big box. You'll need two people to lift it unless you're super strong. But once you get the box in the door, it's pretty easy from there. It comes almost completely set up. As you can see here, there are just a few parts that you're just going to have to attach by yourself. But it does come with a very friendly user manual. It is just a simple 6 steps. And it also does come with all of the tools that you're gonna need, so you don't have to get screwdrivers or anything like that. All told, with the whole process, it took me about just an hour to complete by myself. And voila, the bike is done. It is all set up. As you can see, it's also sitting in my living room, which means it fits here, even in a New York City apartment, which is kind of a big feat. So I have this bike facing my TV. I like some live entertainment while I'm working out. But if you don't want it facing the TV, or you don't have a TV, whatever it might be, you can just put your phone, iPad, book, whatever here for some entertainment. Very, very easy. My other favorite thing about this bike is that it is really, really easy to move, even for someone as small as me. All you have to do is use these wheels. They are right at the front here. You just push down on the bike, and then you can wheel it out just like this. Alright guys, I'm on the bike now. Gonna start biking. Sorry if I sound out of breath in a little bit, but it's very easy just to start. And this dial right here shows me a lot of different features I'm gonna show you guys coming up, but I can just turn it up to turn up the resistance. It's going way up. And I just want you to listen. It is really, really quiet. See, can barely hear anything. And once you've had enough, once you need to stop, all you have to do, press this button. And there you go. Real quickly, I also want to show you guys how stable this bike is, even when I'm standing up. All right, let's talk features, shall we? First feature of this bike is the body right here. This is a 26-pound all-framed flywheel with magnetic low noise technology, as you guys saw in my previous clip. And the other major feature is this dial, which will tell you everything about the workout that you need to know. Pause now because I'm not biking, but it can connect to any of your devices via Bluetooth. So I'm actually connected now to the Mobifitness app. This is 100% free and it has a lot of workouts on it, a lot of fun ways to work out, completely synced to the bike on Bluetooth. So one of the first ways is a quick start. If I press start here, it'll sync up exactly to my bike and tell me all of the stats shown on the dial and on the iPad. Yes, I'm riding hands-free right now. And if I want to increase the resistance, it'll also show up on the app. And the second way of working out, you can actually do a class right here on the app. If you go into that tab, you'll see a lot of different workouts by professionals, all free on the app. I'm gonna hit that first one right up here. And once you start it, you'll see the instructor will lead and you'll hear all the instructions.
Hello everybody. My name is Fernando.
Hello, Fernando.
And I'm going to lead you in a high-intensity interval workout. Let's start like this, very slow. Let's just allow ourselves
basically a spin class.
Just follow the beat. Good job. What do we have to do now?
You can also play in competition or game mode, which I have here. And once you enter, it looks just like this. And the final feature I want to show you is this plan tab. So this is still a very new bike to me, but you can see your fitness plans and your goals and everything tracked right here. All right, now that you've seen how to actually exercise on the bike, one last feature I want to highlight is how adjustable the bike is. You can adjust the height of the seat, how close to the handrails you want it to be, and the height of the handrails right there. I'll show you also really quickly how easy it is to adjust. All you gotta do is twist, pull out, and then pull up. All right, guys, and that is the Mobifitness Turbo Exercise Bike. So if you like what you see, you like these features, you think you can see yourself working out on this bike at home, be sure to check it out. It is linked in the description down below, along with my discount code. Okay, guys, thanks so much for tuning in today for this product review. Let me know if it was helpful, if you would like to see more like this, or if there's anything that you would like me to review separately. Otherwise, thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you all next time.